Hi guys, Alicia here, your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and I am here today with the Craft with Heart subscription kit from Close to My Heart. This is the November kit. It comes in this cute box. I'm obsessed with this box. And it comes with a little postcard. Take time to make, what is it? Take time to make your soul happy. So the November kit called Be Merry, it features the 'Tis the Season paper, so you can always buy coordinating paper and compliments and embellishments from Close to My Heart to add to an album if you want to, if you know you're just loving it and you want to add complimentary pages. Close to My Heart makes it super easy to do that. So these are cut above kits, which means you pretty much just need adhesive to make these. Super simple. It comes with instructions, but they're also easy to add, you know, mix it up and do your own thing and add stuff to them. If you want to, you can bling them up or just keep them as is. They're pretty versatile. So it comes with stickers, it comes with the photo placeholders, it comes with the die cuts. You just punch them out. You don't even need scissors. And it makes 2 layouts, so 4 pages total. And I am just in love with these, you guys. And look at these colors. I love that. It kind of has like a chalkboard finish on it. Oh, and it even comes with the sheet protectors, you guys. How awesome is that? So you do these, you put them in the page protectors, you put them in your album, and like bada bing, bada boom, you are done. I love these kits. They're a great way to just get pages done. I'm a busy mom. I just like to get pages done sometimes. I don't have time to spend hours on one layout. I just don't. So stay tuned for 2 more videos where I complete these layouts for you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.